let's add the tauihu. First, I'll go back to the course and download it. There's the tauihu up top. Click that to download. Now I'll go to Scratch, go into the sprite area, hover over the cat here, go up to Upload Sprite, grab the tauihu. Ooh, that's quite big. Now that needs to fit in there, so I'm going to need to change the size by at least 50%, I think. Even more. Let's try 30. That might be a bit too big. Although that looks quite cool, like it is. Maybe I should leave it like that. Let's see if we can fit it into the outline. Ooh. Boom. Perfect.